Creamy cocoa coffee milkshake recipe, easy homemade treat. Welcome back to our kitchen. Today, we're whipping up something truly indulgent, a delightful cocoa coffee milkshake. It's the perfect blend of rich cocoa, aromatic coffee, and creamy milk. Let's dive right in. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of instant coffee powder, 2 cups of chilled milk, 3 scoops of vanilla ice cream, 2 tablespoons of chocolate syrup, whipped cream and chocolate shavings for garnish, optional. Instructions: first, we'll add in our cocoa powder and instant coffee powder for that bold flavor kick. Next, pour in the chilled milk. Using chilled milk will ensure that our milkshake is nice and cold. Now, it's time to add in our star ingredient, vanilla ice cream. This will give our milkshake that creamy texture we all love. To sweeten things up a bit, drizzle in some chocolate syrup. This will add an extra layer of richness to our milkshake. For an extra touch of decadence, garnish with some whipped cream and chocolate shavings. And there you have it, a heavenly cocoa coffee milkshake that's sure to satisfy your sweet cravings. Delicious. Give this recipe a try and let us know how you like it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mouthwatering recipes. Until next time, happy blending. Free ebook: Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee, the adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.